Well, good morning, YouTubers. Today we're just going to be cleaning up in the lab. I've got some cemented silver from the copper nitrate cell, and we are going to reduce this volume to maybe 500 or more, or 500 or less, excuse me, and clean up that cemented silver. I like this method because it reduces my waste I have to deal with, and I can reuse that acid just a few more times to wring out some more money out of it, because this stuff is expensive. And while we're talking about that, if you guys want to send in e-waste to process, I'll be more than happy to do that. I'll show you how I do things. It'd help me out a little. I'm running out of source material. I've gone through most of my stuff now. Anyway, thanks for watching. So we have, I had to add a little bit more of that copper nitrate. We're going to boil that down. And this is that cemented silver that came through that copper nitrate cell that we use to cement silver out through electrolysis and bypass the nitric boil and cementation. We just did it in one container. And man, I got to tell you, that's a lot of cement right there. I'm feeling pretty good about that. I'm going to let that air dry. I don't feel like flipping it over and drying it. I'm just going to go take it and let it set in the lab and dry out. We'll get a wait on it a couple more days. But that's the silver from the recovered, from that copper nitrate cell. Man, we're going to have to revisit that. That went well.